Good morning, students. I am sure that you are safe and healthy at home with your studies continue. Under virology, today I will discuss with you about hepatitis virus. The primary infection of liver by any one of heterogeneous group of hepatitis viruses, that is A, B, C, D, E, and G, is known as hepatitis. Under hepatitis viruses, hepatitis B virus contain DNA virus, and the rest hepatitis viruses are RNA virus. It's mean in hepatitis B virus, DNA is genetic material, and in the other viruses like A, C, D, E, and G, RNA is the genetic material. First of all, we come to hepatitis A virus. Yeah, hepatitis A. Hepatitis A, also known as infectious hepatitis. Hepatitis A virus is 27 nanometer non-enveloped RNA virus of picornavirus family. HAV is heat resistance up to 60 degree centigrade for 1 hour. HAV may be inactivated by boiling for 1 minute, and also HAV inactivated by 1 ppm chlorine for 30 minutes. The natural infection of HAV is human being only, but chimpanzee may also be infected. Hepatitis A is called infectious hepatitis that is easily spread by fecal-oral route. Hepatitis A virus causes a short-lived acute hepatitis that is not followed by chronic liver disease. It's mean under suffer of hepatitis A virus, liver cells does not show damage. They may cause CLD. The infection is by ingestion. Virus multiply in the intestinal epithelium and reaches the liver by hematogenous spread. The viremia occurs during the pre-rectic phase and ceases with the onset of jaundice. Type A hepatitis occurs sporadically or a outbreak caused by contamination of food, water, and milk. Hepatitis A is the more common in children, overcrowding, and poor sanitation areas. The incubation period of hepatitis A is 15 to 45 days. And next we discuss about the clinical features. Mostly hepatitis A is asymptomatic. Clinically, the disease has two stages, prodromal or preecteric and ecteric stage. Onset is acute or insidious with fever, malaise, anorexia, nausea, vomiting, and liver tenderness. These symptoms usually subside with onset of jaundice. The mortality is very low in hepatitis A, that is 0.1 to 1%. And next will be diagnosis. For the diagnosis of hepatitis A, it is clear by demonstration of virus or its antibody. IgM anti-HAV antibody appears during the late incubation period, reaches peak levels in 2 to 3 weeks and disappear after 3 to 4 months. The IgG antibody appears at the same time with IgM, peak in 3 to 4 months and persist for long life period. For the demonstration of hepatitis A, there is ELISA kits are used. And next is the prophylaxis. For the prophylaxis, improve sanitary practice and prevention of fecal contamination of food and water. Specific passive prophylaxis given 0.2 to 0.12 ml per kg weight IM for the 2 times. HAV formalin inactivated conjugated vaccine of 2 doses IM leads protection after 4 weeks and lasts for 10 to 20 years. Natural infection with HAV clinical or subclinical leads lifelong immunity. Treatment is symptomatic. It's mean after the infection, once after the one time infection of hepatitis A virus, there is long immunity developed in the body against hepatitis A virus. Here are some common blood tests to assess the liver functions. First is SGPT. SGPT is the specific for liver injury. SGOT. SGOT is the less specific to liver injury. It also found in skeletal muscle and cardiac muscles. Alkaline phosphate. Increased in cholestatic diseases. Bilirubin. Bilirubin is measured in 2 types. First is direct, that is conjugated, and second is indirect, is unconjugated. Direct bilirubin more specific for liver disease and blocking bile ducts. Next is prothrombin time and albumin, PT and albumin. PT and albumin is the marker in the liver synthesis function. That was about hepatitis A virus. Next topic will be rest hepatitis virus. Thank you.